What's up, YouTube friends and YouTube kin? It's your girl Kay with 2 A's, and I'm back with another cornstarch video. Y'all, I'm so proud of myself. I made my own cornstarch chunks. Oh, jump. But look, can't y'all see that? I'm talking about big.
Hello.
Big chunks. Chicken said hello. Big chunks. I'm talking about. I was so proud of myself. Hello. This is actually like my third batch. And I want y'all to comment below if y'all want me to show y'all how I made these chunks. I need y'all to comment below and say, yeah, show us, cousin. So let me see. I'm finna go in with. No water, no nothing added. Straight cornstarch. This is Argo cornstarch, by the way. And the box kind, not the container. It's so perfect. Like, I don't know if I can chew all this now. Stop blowing that whistle. They know I'm making a video, so stop blowing that whistle. So they want to blow the whistle so they can stop it. Ooh. This big, y'all. This big. This like finna be the whole size of my mouth. Yeah. It just took me all my life to chew that chunk. All my life. And I still stand on, I like smaller chunks. The big chunks are okay, but there's something about those small chunks that just get in there and just, I'm talking about, just melt in your mouth and be crunchy at the same time, like all that. The big chunks can't do that. I had a container, it's sitting right here. I want to get it. I had a container of Tupperware of small crunchy chunks. I'm talking about they were dry too. And just so small and so crunchy. I was tearing them up. I couldn't even preserve them to be able to make a video for y'all, but I got y'all next time. But them chunks were so good, I just like I was dreaming about them. I'm talking about as soon as I wake up in the morning, I'm like, what a chunks, what a chunks. What?
I got doo-doo.
Go.
Okay.
Sticking over here giving us TMI, too much information. Hold on real quick, y'all. These are smaller chunks. Look, they gone. Man, I was tearing them down. Oh. All the chunks really gone, but you can still hear the, yeah. Ah! I don't know why I just did that. I don't know why. I'm wasting starch, y'all. I want y'all to see the up close and personal. Look. Look at that. That's heaven. There's heaven in my fingers. Look. Y'all make sure y'all shop kaayloncollections.com. Best hair products on the market. Best edge control at its best, okay? Edge control at its best. If you like cornstarch, I know you'll like this edge control. Just put it like that. Even if you don't like cornstarch, you still gonna like it. Because it's some good edge control. It's kaayloncollections.com. And make sure that you follow us on Instagram. I'm put all the information below. Because, yeah. Y'all, our cousin them. And we all love cornstarch.